What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment below. There was a study done, and most of the bad credit scores were related to a certain ethnic group, which was minorities, mainly black people or African Americans. The study was 54% on black Americans and 41% on Hispanic Americans. So Perch Credit CEO, this is coming from Credit Sesame. Perch Credit CEO uh, did what is it called, like a seed thing or seed program where you raise money for a certain application or business startup, things like that. Which this is a great opportunity for the certain ethnic group. So Jay-Z also has invested money in this application, which is only available on Apple right now. Hopefully, it will go to Samsung so I can get in this program as well. But right now, it's just on Apple. So, Perch Credit App, which you can find on Apple platform, which I don't have an Apple phone, but this credit program is to help you build your credit up with using credit unions and institutions like Netflix, Hulu, etc. So I'm going to give you some more information on this, guys. Please bear with me. Let's see. I don't want to go to the interview. That'll bore you to death. But the Los Angeles-based credit system was founded in 2019 and secured a $2.5 million investment to launch the app. Like I said, Perch Credit CEO Michael Bolton and CTO Ayush Jain, I'm sorry if I butchered that name, co-founded the company and would join forces with credit unions to report recurring payments like rent and subscriptions based companies, Netflix, Hulu, Spotify. And I'm pretty sure they're going to go with more companies, but they're just trying to build a great platform now. So go get you a credit union if you don't have one already, because this is going to help your credit out in the long run. And you already probably have these subscription based services. So think about this: 5 years from now, that's going to build credit history. You're already paying on time because it's automatically coming out your account. So that's going to help your credit out, build that great credit score. Let's see. MVP, which was co-founded by Rock Nation co-founders Jay-Z and Jay Brown with venture capitalist Larry Marcus, is allowing them to grant access to the free credit building and financial literacy content. So Bolton 22 spoke about Perch securing the cosign from Jay-Z with Yahoo Finance. Definitely not easy. I came from a background where I was never exposed to venture capital. Venture capital is huge money, huge money. And if you have a great product, the sky's the limit. So basically, from my understanding, this is a free program. They're probably going to have some kind of ads or something in there, or they're probably going to be able to make money with the companies they work with, which is a great idea. It won't cost the consumer anything. You just gotta have to make sure you pay your credit on time, pay those bills on time, and it will help your credit out. Because there's no other service like this besides, I believe, Experian Boost, but they don't allow Hulu, Spotify. They allow certain utilities, which a lot of people have said that doesn't even work at all. But the people that it does work for, it might boost it up 10 points or so. So this will be a recurring history of credit after so many months and years. Think about that you have already paid. So I'll put the link in the description below, and you guys let me know what you think about that. Perch Credit App is available only on Apple right now, but it will come to Samsung later once they get everything panned out. See you guys next time. Thank you for being here. I got a cap on here because my hair is growing crazy. Thank you guys for being here. Peace and love.